You now have a mastery of convolutional neural networks and how they could be used in extracting information from image data. Let's get back to the clothing dataset from Alex Grigorev's GitHub repository, which we used to build a clothing classification project previously. And just as you've done previously, you're also going to design a model for each of the two problems which we defined. And then you should select appropriate loss for those two problems. You shall train the two models after breaking the dataset into a train validation test. And then for at least one of the models, you should calculate the accuracy, F1 score, plot ROC curve. And then for the other, just calculate or use just the accuracy for performance measurement. Then you shall prepare your own similar small random dataset online of at least 100 images and test on this 100 images. Then you should take some corrective measures to better the results. It should be noted that in this project, you shall be using the convolutional based model in solving this problem. After doing all this, you could go ahead and publish this on Medium if you're publishing an article, or on YouTube if you're publishing a video, and share on your social networks. And in cases of video, the style you shall be using in publishing should be similar to the one we use in our videos. Like, you should have a task, or you should define a task, the data modeling, error sanctioning, training and optimization, performance measurement, validation and testing, and corrective measures. And in case it's an article, you could look at this article by neuralens.ai on neural machine translation with transformers, which is found on Medium. Here is the Medium article in question, and as you could see, our table of content is made of the task, data modeling, error sanctioning, training, performance measurement, testing, and corrective measures. So you could use this as a template for presenting your own projects.